He described you in somewhat personal terms, I suppose, Australia's censorship commissar. How did that weigh with you?
Well, he issued a dog whistle to 181 million users around the globe, which resulted in death threats directed at me, which resulted in doxing of my family members, including my 3 children. So I think with great power comes great responsibility, and exercising that restraint in terms of targeting a regulator who is here to protect the citizens of Australia is really beyond the pale. But it's not surprising, given that we've seen him litigate and target and personally tarnish NGOs, academics, and other researchers that dare to criticize the safety of the X platform. So this is his modus operandi. I will not be cowed by those kinds of threats. I'm sure more will come.
Oh, boo-hoo! Let me play a sad song for you on the world's smallest violin.